got so much money.
Are you ready, kids?
Aye, aye, Captain!
I can't hear you.
Aye, aye, Captain!
Oh!
Introduce my name, FARIKHUL ZULFANI ABDA. I was born in Jember on July 27, 2004. I am from Gumukmas, Jember. I graduated with a master degree in forestry. I studied at Gajah Mada University. While studying, I did an internship at PT Perhutani located in Kalimantan. During my internship, I worked directly in the field as a monitor to ensure that the forests there were in a good condition and nothing was damaged. Why do I want to apply to Al Salah As-Sunnah University as forestry study program lecturer? Because I already have provision for students there, and I feel suitable to be a lecturer there. I have a lot of experience and knowledge to care for forests properly and correctly, so that later if I need to teach forestry study programs, I won't be confused anymore.